Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to change column color in Word. If you have inserted a table and want to shade an entire column, follow these steps. For this you need to select the column. Either you can select the column with the mouse, or you can hover your mouse just above the top border of the column until you see cursor turns into a small black arrow down arrow, and then click on the table design on the top menu bar and click on the shading, and now select your desired color from the palette, for example green, and here you can see that. If you want to use a custom color that is not in the standard palette, then you need to click on the shading and click on the more colors, and in the standard color you can use any color and go to the shading, again go to the more colors, click on the customs, and here is the color model, which is the RGB. These are the values. If you know the values you can just put in that, and if you want to put the HSL colors you can use the HS color values and put here, and then click OK to proceed. And if you want to remove the color, for this you need to click the shading and just click the new color, and here it is removed. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how to change column color in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.